Hey guys, it's Heather and I am packaging my holiday box or December box. Now I have this really cute silver crinkly sort of paper. I have some really pretty filler that I'm using. Now I had already packaged and then I realized I didn't video the packaging, so I should probably do that now. Make sure everything's in frame. Okay, in the December box, what we get is our wax melts. This is the Winterberry wax melts in a really cute little reusable tin. We'll put them here. We get 2 soaps. We get a birch bonfire, which is blue speckled with the hand-painted Christmas tree or evergreen tree, and then the snowman, and this is a winter frost or an iced mint sort of fragrance. And they are already pre-packaged in a really cute little box. And they're packaged in their cute little box, and they'll go right there. Then we have 3 bubble bars, a apple fragrance, an apricot and honey fragrance, and a glazed donut and amber fragrance, and we'll put that there. It has your iced mint milk bath soak. And that has a lot of lovely salts and milk bath in it and herbs that just really feel great in your bath. Then we have the pink sugar bath and body oil. You can use it as a body oil or you can use a dropper in your bath to moisturize in your bath. You have a little bath poof. And we have our fig and brown sugar bath bomb. Trying to figure out the best way to put the bath bomb in. There we go. And just like that. Now what I will do when I ship these is I'll make sure the tops on all of these containers are sealed really well for you so that they don't spill. And then I'll take some more of the packing fringe and put it in here. I want to make sure everything is nice and well packaged. Especially since we are using glass containers now that are recyclable, that you can reuse. I want to make sure everything is nice and wrapped up for you. And then of course you will get a couple of samples in your box, as well as a card with a discount code on it for your next order. And then we close that up and we have an information sheet that will go in here, as well as your invoice, and it will get its sticker. Right on the outside edge of the box, as well as where you can find us on social media, which is My Mood Bath Box or H&P Artistry on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and the my-mood-bath-box.cratejoy.com to order the box. There is a notice on some phones that comes up and says that it's an insecure site. It is a secure site. It's just because it's the .cratejoy.com that it pulls that up. But that is it, you guys. This is the holiday box or the December box, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please let me know what you think, and if you order the box, let me know that you ordered, and I will talk to you guys soon. This is Heather from H&P Artistry, wishing you luck, love, and a great day. Bye guys.